Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to rotate video on iPhone. Firstly, launch the Photos app on your iPhone. Now locate the video you want to rotate by navigating to Photos or Photos, then tap on the video. Now tap Edit located in the upper right corner of the screen, then tap the crop icon at the bottom of the screen. It resembles a square with two arrows circling it counterclockwise. In the rotate button in the top left corner on the screen, tap the bottom shows a square with a curved arrow pointing clockwise. Tap it once to rotate the video to 90 degrees clockwise. Tap again for further rotation as needed. Just once satisfied with the orientation, tap down in the bottom right corner to save your rotated video. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.